Welcome to Rehearsal's new assignment builder. We have added some simplistic aspects to the assignments tab on the admin side of the Rehearsal platform to allow it to be much easier for users to quickly generate assignments through the Rehearsal platform. To get started, all you do in the assignments tab here in Rehearsal is click the new assignment button up here in the top right-hand corner. When you do that, you'll have the opportunity to either select the traditional full assignment editor, where you can go through and do all of the components and all of the flow and all of the work that you did previously with Rehearsal, or you can use the assignment builder. It's a 6-step, easy to use process to quickly turn out assignments in Rehearsal. We click the use assignment builder, and the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to name our assignment. In this case, I will call this the test assignment. When I'm done naming that particular assignment, I will hit the next button. I will then either choose to create a new scenario, or I will add from an existing scenario or add an existing scenario. In this case, I'm going to add an existing scenario. Here, I'm able to search for the different scenarios that I might want. So if I want to add the introduce yourself video, for example, I can do that here, and I can be done selecting those scenarios. However, I could add multiple scenarios if I wanted to. I could always add a secondary scenario, for example, too. If I wanted to add the success story scenario here, I could do that. I could select it from the list, and now I've dropped in 2 scenarios here, both an introduce yourself and a success story scenario. I could also drag and drop those if I wanted to switch the position, and that allows me to control that right here on the screen. Once I'm done and I've chosen the scenarios that I want for this particular assignment, I click very simply the next button, where I move on into the learner assignment area. Here's where I'm going to add different learners to the platform. Let's say I just want to add myself. So I search my name, Jeff Curlis, and I select gcurlis@rehearsal.com, and there I am. If I wanted to search for somebody else, I could do that here as well. For example, I could go find Andrew, and here's Andrew Sizelove. I select Andrew, and Andrew becomes part of that assignment as well. So very powerful use case here is simply to prescribe some basic learning objectives. If you're talking with someone and they want to work on a specific skill, I could very quickly send them one specific assignment to one specific user in a very quick 6-step process. Once I've added the learners, I select next, and I choose the mentor process. In this case, I'm going to set myself up as my own mentor, but you can find the mentor from the list, and that mentor is now set as the mentor for that particular assignment. After the next button, I'll choose my start and end dates and times. So here I'm able to choose today, March 8th, for example. I'll make it live at 5 p.m. and I'll run it through the end of the month, March 31st, and we'll take that all the way to 11:45 p.m., for example. Then when I select next, it gives me a recap. The review assignment page gives me the assignment title, the start date, the end date, the 2 scenarios, who the learners are, and who the mentors are. And when I'm ready, I simply click the publish assignment button, and now that makes that assignment live. At that point in time, I do have the ability to go in and edit that assignment, very much like I have in the past, utilizing our standard editing process. But I don't have to do anything more. At this point in time, notifications will go out to the appropriate folks. When that assignment is live, they'll be able to take action. And again, in 6 steps, I have been able to build that assignment. If I go back into the assignment, here it is showing the test assignment in my assignment tab. That's it. Glad to be able to bring this to you. We're super excited about the simplicity of this particular edition and the ability for users to be able to quickly send out assignments and prescriptive learning to folks within the platform.